हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। तो आज इस वीडियो में मैंने एक क्विज कंपटीशन की क्लिप ऐड करी है। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दैट क्लिप, लेट मी टेल यू अ ब्रीफ अबाउट दैट क्लिप। सो आई हैड अ स्पोर्ट्स क्विज competition in my school days, and I thought it would be great if I would be sharing this experience, or let me say this knowledge with you all. So I was handling over the third round in this quiz competition. There were almost 5 schools which participated in this competition. I'll tell you about the schools in the description. Before anything else, I would love to share my school's name with you all. Colonel Brown Cambridge School. It is located in Dehradun, and I passed out my 12th from this school. It is always great to recall your school days after passing out. If you also miss your school, please do like my video. So let's get back to our video. This video teaches you about the sports and how you can perform in a quiz. Without wasting any further time, let's begin with our clip. Hello everyone, my name is Shubhanu and I'll be handing over the mic for round 3. You know, I call this round as a speed breaker round and as well as a bouncer round, and you'll soon come to know why I call it like that. In this round, before finishing off my question, if you'll be answering it correct, you'll be getting 15 marks. And you know, these 15 marks can reach you to the top. And again, a speed breaker over here. If you'll be wrong, you'll be getting -20. After finishing the question, if you'll be answering it correct, you'll be getting 40 marks. And a speed breaker is again over it. If you'll be wrong, you'll be getting -10. After giving the options, if you'll be answering it correct, you'll be getting 30 marks. But, you know, this but never finishes. If you'll be wrong, you'll be getting -5. This round is an open round, which means any of the school, means any of the 5 schools can answer. And you know how you have to answer? There's a buzzer kept in front of you. You have to tap that buzzer, or you have to press that buzzer. And on the same time, you have to raise your hand. Did you understand? You have to press the buzzer, and on the same time, you have to raise your hand. We have our officials to see that. Okay. After giving the options, only one school can answer. You know what does that mean? After giving the options, whosoever will be the first one to press the buzzer, only that school can answer. If you have any questions, please ask me right now. There are marking schemes in front of you. If you want to write it down, please write it. Okay. The first question which is coming on the screen is Beijing Olympics 2008 and London Olympics 2012. In the game of wrestling. The question is not finished yet. If you want to answer, please tap the buzzer and raise your hand. If you will be right, you will be directly getting 15 marks. Think again. Do you want to answer? No, I don't think. Okay, the next slide. In the game of wrestling, Sushil Kumar won 1 bronze and 1 silver. Now please think, what can be the answer? The question is yet not finished. Still you can get 50 marks. You have that opportunity. Okay, next slide. In which weight category? Come on, for 40 marks, press the buzzer. Yeah, is that one? This school? Okay, what's your answer?
Bronze in 66 kg and silver in 74 kg.
Bronze at 60.
66.
Okay, let's check the options. Option please. Okay, 66 is there and 68 is also there. Let's check the answer. The answer is totally correct and you will be getting, this is the right answer, you will be getting 50 marks. No, sorry, 40 marks, you are right, 40 marks. Okay, the next question which is coming on the screen is in the FIFA World Cup. I am talking about FIFA World Cup.
Just think what can be the answer for 15 marks. No one want to answer? Next slide. Which country won? Just think what can be the answer. Which country won? Okay, they're thinking yet? I know you guys are curious, so just think. No? Should I go ahead? Okay, next slide. Which country won the maximum winning title till now? Wait, is it? Brooklyn. Okay. Brooklyn is good.
Brazil 5 times.
Brazil 5 times is the correct answer and you will get 20 marks. Nice. Brooklyn. Okay. The question is, in Rio Olympics 2016, Indian wrestler Sakshi Malik. I am talking about Sakshi Malik. Just think what can be the answer. Okay.
She won the bronze medal. Okay, just in 58 kg category.
Okay, do you want to say anything else? No? Sure? Let's see what can be the question first. Hold your horses. One bronze medal will get correct. I think you can. I know you can be right. I know. Let's see the options first. Okay, 58. Huh? It's there. I know. Let's see the answer. You are totally correct and you'll be getting 50 marks. Everyone please clap for Kasika Group. Have a great class. They have taken a risk and the risk is totally successful. They got 50 marks. The next question which is coming on the screen is the first ever individual gold medal for India in Beijing Olympics. Think who can be the person or what can be the answer? Okay, so you want to answer? Okay. Do you want to say anything else? Sure? Okay. Tulas International will be directly carrying -20. Because it's a wrong answer. Sorry to say it's a wrong answer. But just check what can be the question. You still have chance. You still have chance to answer the question. Next slide. Beijing. Yeah. Was that? Okay. What's the
He
answer?
won in shooting in the 25-meter air pistol.
Okay, you are saying 25 meter. Okay, 25 meter air pistol. Okay, what's St. Jude's? Sorry to say St. Jude's, you'll be getting -20.
Oh man.
Tell me the event. Just think. Yeah, okay. Event. Yeah. Okay, this is good.
10-meter air rifle.
Oh, 10 meter air rifle. Let's see what can be the options. 10 meter air rifle. 10 meter. It's there. Let's check the answer, please. Okay, you're correct and you're getting 40 marks. The next question which is coming on the screen is, in the year of 2000 Sydney Olympics, bronze medal won. Come on, think again. Just think, you can get 50 marks. No one want to answer? Next slide. By Indian. Now we have told you it's by Indian also. Just think. No? Okay, I think Brooklyn School is still curious. You want to answer? No? Okay, next slide. By Indian player Karnam Maleshwari. Okay. Yeah. Just well.
Weightlifting.
Weightlifting. You are saying weightlifting. Let's check the options if weightlifting is there or not. Weightlifting is there. You can be right. Let's check the answer. It's a correct answer. 40 marks to Brooklyn School. The next question which is coming on the screen is in the field of cricket. Okay. My God, this is so fast.
India won the World Cup. India won their first World Cup in 1983.
Okay.
Kapil Dev captained the team to the World Cup.
Okay. Just
Kapil Dev was the man.
Just
of the
give me a
match as
second,
well.
please.
Against West Indies. And it was played in Lords.
Is this some kind of sick joke?
Sorry?
It was India won the final, their first ever World Cup. Kapil Dev was the man of the match. They played in Lords against West Indies.
Sorry to say, St. Jude's is the wrong answer. And you'll be getting minus 20.
What was that?
No, it's okay. It's good that you have taken a risk. Next. World Cup in. Sorry?
I said under the captaincy of Kapil Dev.
Wait. Check the question. The question is not yet completed. The question is not yet completed. Okay, anyone want to answer? Blue Clean want to answer. Yes. Ma'am? Yeah, I know, ma'am. The question is not yet completed. Okay. Kapil Dev. Are you sure? You want to say anything else? Okay. And you will be getting minus 20. Next slide, please. Under the captaincy of Kapil Dev.
England was the host country. England was.
Sorry, I said brother and hand. But yeah,
We pressed the button.
England was the host country.
England was the host.
You have to press the button.
Are you sure? Think it once again.
But I said that it was played at Lords as well. I said that it was played in
Man,
Country.
Because I am asking the country. The question was not yet completed. It's okay. Okay, your answer is England. Let's check the options if England is there or not. Oh my God, England is there. What do you think? Will it be a right answer? Yes. Sure? Yes. Let's check the answer. Yeah, it's a right answer.
Good. Damn.
Okay. The next question which is coming on the screen is in 2010 Commonwealth Games. I'm talking about Commonwealth Games. Think what can be the answer? I don't think now anyone want to take a risk. Think once again. You can get 50 marks if you'll be right.
Wait.
No. Forward the slide. New Delhi, in which India got? Just think, what can India got get? And what can be the answer? No. They don't want to answer? Next slide. In which India got second position in medal tally. Tell the total number of medals. Think, what can be the total number of medals? Anyone want to answer? No? You want options? Listen, wait. As I said, after giving the options, only one school can answer. The school will be, whosoever the one will be pressing the buzzer first. Is it okay? Okay, next.
देख इधर देख.
The options have been given A 100, B 108, 102, C 101, and D 103. Okay.
B 102.
B 102. Okay. Let's check the answer. Sorry, St. Jude's again. It's a wrong answer. They'll be getting -5. The next question which is coming on the screen is, in 1952 Olympics, first ever individual bronze medal. First ever individual bronze medal. Think what can be the answer. No one would like to answer? Next slide. Okay, bronze. Individual bronze medal won by KD Jadhav. Just think what can be the answer. Won by KD Jadhav. Okay. I think Dasika, you want to answer?
Not so sure.
Okay. Should I go ahead? Okay, next slide. Won by KD Jadhav. Okay. Yes. Which is sure. Let's check the options. Wrestling is there in the options. What do you think? Will you be right?
Yes.
Sure? Let's check the answer. Oh my god, it's the right answer! And you will be getting 40 marks. The next question, which is coming on the screen, is, in the year 1951, India hosted first Asian Games. India hosted first Asian Games. Anyone would like to answer? No? Just think it once again.
Yeah.
You can get 50 marks, come on! Okay, next slide. In which India got second position in medal tally. No one? Should I go ahead? Okay. They are the first position holder country. Okay, St. Jude's.
China.
China. You are saying China. Are you sure?
Yes.
Would you like to say anything else?
No.
Should I log the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, St. Jude's. You'll be getting -10. You still have chance. Come on, guys, think. You still have chance. Come on. The first position holder. Okay, this. Yeah. Sri Ram. Japan. Are you sure? Are you sure? Shall I log the answer? Let's check the options. Japan is there in the options too. Next. Next slide, please. Japan is the right answer. They'll be getting 30 marks. 40. They'll be getting 40 marks. The next question, which is coming on the screen. Hockey World Cup Men's, which was held at Kuala Lumpur in 1975. Just think. If I'm not wrong, it's the last question, and you still have chance for 50 marks directly. Just think what can you answer. No one? Don't sit there, guys. Just answer. Take a risk. Okay, next slide. And the winning team was India. The winning team was India. Okay, I think they want to answer. Should I go ahead? Okay, next slide. Tell me the runner-up team. Its It's for 40 marks. You'll be getting 40 marks. Think what can be the answer. No? Should I go ahead? Yeah? Want to answer? Okay. Next slide. The options are being given. Let's see who is the. Okay. Okay. St. Jude's.
Against D, Pakistan.
D Pakistan. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, as you say, D Pakistan. It's a correct answer and you'll be getting 30 marks. Come on everyone, clap for it. Nice, come on.
Now at the end, I would just say it was a great quiz competition and a great boarding life. If this video fulfilled your expectations, then please like and share our video and subscribe our channel.